Hey guys, so I've been studying landscape painting and I wanted to get a plein air setup. A lot of the boxes online were super expensive, so I decided to get this Mabef Field Easel that was pretty cheap at my local art store. I ordered it online and I just wanted to do a unboxing and first impressions. So overall, the build quality seems really nice. It's like not too heavy, but I can feel that it's really solid. Um, the only thing is that I noticed it was a little scuffed up on the side here. And originally I was gonna exchange it at my local in-person store since I ordered it online, but they were out of stock and it was gonna take a while, so I thought it wasn't worth it to just wait, and I just actually brought some sandpaper to see if I could just like quickly resolve that. But other than that, it seems pretty solid. I don't think that this is a really big deal. I'm not too sure if it was just from the shipping company and the way they handled it, but or it could have just been made like that. But I'll just sign it off and see what happens. Unpackage it and do a little setup. Put that down. All right, so I'm gonna set it up and see how it works. Just a note, on the website, it seemed like it may have been like a leather strap, so I'm really glad that it wasn't, because I was kind of betting on the fact that it wouldn't be, because I just don't want animal products on my stuff. But that's just a side note in case you're wondering about that. All right, so I got this thing set up and I put in my canvas holder. And then I also put in my palette at the bottom. I might end up trying just with the spare canvas board that's more closer to a standard plein air palette size, but this is like a full size palette. I don't know if I would be bringing that on my trips, But overall, it's pretty cool. I did notice that when I set it up with such a big board and I have my panel far up, so like there's two pieces, there is a limit as to how far this can go. It can't go past like where it connects here. So because I'm using like an extra board, there is a distance that I can't really remove. But I could just move the whole board end thing lower, so it's closer that way. So that's kind of just my choice. But overall, I'd be curious to test it out. I think it would be nice to test out using a pallet vertically in my studio as well. So, all right, so this is with the board at the bottom. I am a little disappointed about that edge there. I tried to sand it off and it didn't really work. But other than that, I think it's pretty solid. And it's a pretty cool setup. Thanks for watching, guys.